In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Onedrive.Exe bad image. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we'll begin by navigating to your PC settings. From your desktop, you can easily access settings by clicking on the small gear icon usually found in your start menu. This is your hub for modifying various configurations on your PC. Once you're in settings, the next step is to locate and click on the apps menu. The apps menu is where you find all installed software applications, and it's crucial to access it to resolve the OneDrive issue we're dealing with. With the apps menu open, the next area we need to check is the apps and features section. This list displays all of the applications installed on your PC. It's organized for easy browsing, and you can even search for specific applications if needed. You'll see the complete list of programs. We need to scroll through this list until we find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you spot it, take a moment to ensure you have selected the correct application, as it's essential for the repair process. After locating Microsoft OneDrive, you'll notice an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on it to access a set of specific configurations and settings related to OneDrive. This area is particularly useful when you're troubleshooting, as it provides detailed options that can help solve various issues. This is where the magic happens, so let's not miss it. Next, you will see a button named Repair. By clicking this, your PC will automatically initiate the repair process for Microsoft OneDrive. The repair function is designed specifically to correct small errors or bugs that have cropped up over time. Essentially, it will run a diagnostic and apply fixes to the OneDrive application without affecting any of your saved data. It's a very handy feature for ironing out kinks like the one you're experiencing. In most cases, this repair process should take just a few moments. Once it's completed, give your system a quick test by opening OneDrive and checking if the error persists. More often than not, the issue should be resolved by this point, restoring your OneDrive functionality. If you followed these steps and still encounter difficulties, it may be worth considering a full reset or reinstallation. However, the repair tool is an efficient first course of action that typically does the trick. And there you have it, a simple way to fix the Onedrive.Exe bad image error quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.